Greetings, Marcus here from Coaster Touring and Ride and Park Media with a quick unboxing video. I've just bought a new bit of kit which I plan to use for a number of film shoots this year. I actually ordered it way back in September last year. It was promised for delivery in November, it was promised for delivery in December, it was promised for delivery in January, and finally it arrived in February and it's right here with me now. So it is for filming projects, but it's got nothing to do with cameras. So let's have a quick look at what's in the box of these new Segway skates, the Segway Drift W1s. So these are from the well-known company Segway that build all these self-balancing scooters and things. But these are a little bit different in that they're a bit like roller skates. You actually have two separate skates and they work independently and they can go up to 7.5 miles an hour. My intention for them is to be able to get some really smooth tracking shots, combine them alongside a gimbal like the Ronin S and get these silky smooth gliding shots going through theme parks, going through aquariums and all the other different places that we regularly get asked to go and film. So let's see what's inside. And of course need to cut it a little bit more. There we go. Of course, right at the top, the obligatory instructions. We'll look at those later. Nice bit of polystyrene ready to go into landfill, sadly. Boring bits out the way first. We've got a mains cable for charging. Unfortunately, it's American, so I won't be able to use this one. Handily, it's your stereotypical figure of 8 kettle lead, so I have loads of those sitting in the cupboard. Silica gel. I actually keep hold of the silica gel sachets and I keep them in my camera bag, because if you go out filming and it is a little bit damp, then with these in the bag they help to reduce some of the moisture and stop the lenses fogging up. So I always recommend keeping hold of these, chucking them in your camera bag, chucking them in your pocket, wherever you sort of keep the camera when you're out and about filming. But they're worth keeping hold of. They last for a few months after you've been using them, so it's worth keeping hold. Here's the charging brick. How very Apple of them. Apple white, I think, is a good description of that. Yeah, there's the figure of 8 kettle lead is going to go in there. Not a problem, as I say, because I have a ton of them sitting in a cupboard. So this has 2 connectors on it, which means you can charge up the 2 skates at the same time. And just so you know, it's Segway. It says Segway, so not to be confused with Apple. And then here we go. I don't mind that squeaking noise. Oh, these aren't light, I have to say. Here's the first skate. Sit there. There's the second skate and an empty box. So here are the 2 Segway Drift W1 skates. I say these are pretty hefty. If you were walking up and down stairs or just walking around unable to ride them, you wouldn't want to be carrying them for too long. They have got these carry straps here, which are elasticated, and I'm not overly convinced. I mean, they've got good shackles there, but I'm not sure those are going to last very long. They seem quite thin and spindly, but especially the way they're stretching, you can get, sometimes when you stretch elastic, you can feel it getting to the extent of what it is happy to do, and these kind of feel like they're getting to that limit. But hopefully they all last long. Let's see, there's some warning stickers here. Warranty void if broken, so I won't open that up. Must wear headgear and store indoors when not in use. So as I say, quite hefty. They've got the single wheel there, which is a rubbish material on a metal axle there. Segway logo there, and the on-off switch. See there, it's telling me by those flashing lights that it's obviously around 75% battery on there. And of course, funky disco lights. So I've not set these up or done anything with them yet, so I'm guessing they won't sort of turn on, but let's see what happens. Maybe it's a push and hold. Ah, it's balanced. It is there. There we go. It's sitting on the desk. So you would stand on there, and yeah, you can just feel ever so slight movement on my hand there is enough to make it go forward, backwards. Not entirely sure which is the front and which is the back, so I shall have to have a look. I'm not sure which way up this logo here is meant to be to face forward, because there's a Segway name at each end. It does seem to be wanting to drift slightly forward a little bit, so maybe the desk isn't level. Making a very slight noise. A little bit like a hamster squeaking away in the corner. So yeah, that's as far as I'm going to get for now with the unboxing. Oh, it's turned itself off there. And then you just get back on it and it levels up again. That's as far as I'm going to get for now. I'm going to stick them on charge, and then it's raining today, typical. We've had a couple of lovely sunny days after all the snow of last week, and it's chucking it down with rain. So I'm not going to probably get to try these outside. Maybe if I can find a long corridor somewhere, I might try that today. Anyway, so that's it for now, and I'll do a video later on as I try it out.